Asesibingelele makhombat uzozonke endaweni ekusona. Umuntu wenza le video umoya uphansi konakele makhompyutha. Khona i-VN is very disturbing kade ngilalele manje. Ye-regional eThekwini izinto ezenzekalayo njengoba kusanale process ama-disputes namakhansela and all that stuff. Le VN lekuthiwa yenziwe nobhala weTheku we-election structure. So umuntu kusho ukuthi useyabona ukuthi lento ngendlela ekwakuliwa ngayo kuyiwa lapha ne-Olive kwakuvele i-agenda esikhona ukuthi abantu abanjani esifuneke babekwe. And we remember abantu ababephambili futhi ukuthi kuphakame labantu abaphakamile. And then sesibuka lama results, and then some of them are the people that were trusted by ama-comrade amaningi because banegama banokuhlonishwa labafika khona without knowing ukuthi that's what they were brewing, that's what's happening today. So one is disturbed ama-comrade ukuthi kwenzakalani. And nama-VN umuntu awalalelayo ama-comrade from ama-wards ahlukahlukene, but I always maintain one and the same thing. Umuntu akade aqale ayisho nje from way back ukuthi we seems to find ourselves in this situation because I sense ukuthi if and only if the political education yenzeka from the word go, from the inception of the organization, and ama-members wonke lokhu engena up until today, I don't think ukuthi sobe sinele ngoba manje we find ourselves ukuthi kunabantu abamanipulate ama-comrade because of the lack of the knowledge about organization. Abanye babo bafuna ukuyigwamanda bezothi yabo ibona bayiqala, bekhohle ukuthi uComrade uMsholozi wayichaza lento, waze wabeka naleli gama elithi umkhonto kuyilokhuza kwi-memorial lecture kalokhuza kaSolomon Mahlangu eka 2025 if I'm not mistaken, eka 2025 la chaza khona ukuthi igama lomkhonto size sifike kulona sisukaphi, ngoba isikhali sethu sokugcina sihlala ethana sabantu abamnyama. So that was his explanation ukuthi if usudonse khona it's the last resort yakho yokulwa. As much as we understand ukuthi lisetshenziswe igama uthi umkhonto ngoba bekune-military wing ye-ANC, but kwi-explanation yakhe leyo umkhonto uyasho ukuthi sesidonse isikhali sethu sokugcina sekuthi siyolwa siyindlu emnyama, akasho ukuthi eyosibanibani. Yeah, comrade umuntu is very disturbed ngezinto ezenzakalayo, but I'm always maintaining i-people's organization ayihlanganisa abantu ibafundise ukuthi yini objective yayo, ihlanganisa abantu batshele i-ideology yayo, ihlanganisa abantu ibatshele ukuthi being the member, being the leader of the organization, what is expected of you. Ngoba sinama-leader angazi ukuthi wenzani. Ngike ngabuka enye ividiyo la abantu baze bayishuthe baze bayiphose emaqabane but ababonzi bona ba-expose bona izinto abazenzayo. Lithi i-comrade deploy thizeni kwenye yamalokhuza kwenye vidiyo la kusho ukuthi lelikhethisa khona la ilitshengisa ukuthi nakhona abanye abantu esibaphakamise le-comrade they don't understand on the-organization bebe ba-managers. Lithi i-comrade njengoba siphakamisele ukuthi mhlawumbe kuphakamisa ama-comrade awu-2 elento aphakamele ukukhansela, and then lithi i-comrade leyo deploy kusho ukuthi-ke lona-ke okhale ngaphansi kwama-numbers kuzobe seba kwi-PR, but ama-guidelines a-clear comrade athi kuzofike kukhethwe inomini yelukhuza okukhansela kuqedwe ngayo bese kuphakama lo muntu lona osebusweni yabantu, community involved, and then bese kuba u-3 PR councillors okhethwayo akusho i-guidelines ayisho kulona okhale ngaphansi kokukhansela uzobe sethi automatically ku-PR. So there's a clear indication yokuthi kuthathwe abantu abathi bayamalida but bazoserephela i-guidelines bazokwenza into engenziwe. Yikho sinale chaos le. But kodwa njengoba sisho ukuthi-ke kusho ukuthi kwabonakala ukuthi yonke lento isuka from le ku-Olive izifike lana njengoba kwenzeka manje, there was a plan. There was a plan. Asithembe ukuthi one day kuzolunga, but I'm very, very disturbed comrade njengoba nomoya wami ukuthi uphansi ngale zinto ezenzakalayo. Ukuthi sithi sesiphethe isikhali sethu sokugcina, kodwa ngendlela esi-act ngayo asitshengisa ukuthi sizobamba i-last fight yokuthi lesiyayinqoba noma we-perish. Asibonge maqabane.
Yeah, man, this is very sad. But in Tenyi pick up Philip Levy that the last point I beg you there's a political workshop. Abalulekile kakhulu ngabe nje leqembu leli abanikazi balo nje abakhali ngalendlela abakhalayo ngakhona. But yeah, that's my 2 cents worth. What's yours? Please comment on the comment section below. Let us dive in straight to the next video.
Sanibonani, more special ama comrade ase Herikora region. Usokolisa lo. Bafethu kunento engivuna ukuyicacisa la. Mhla 4 November sinama ballot paper out 3. Sinile councillor nela PR local no PR district. Now we are here. So ngibona ama comment amaningi saying ngithi mina uMK ungavotelwa. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying MK ungavotelwa, but I'm saying la kune corruption kule ward ekwakhethwa khona ikhansela ngob corruption. Asivoteli lo ward le. Abantu bakulo ward bangayivoteli. That is what I'm promoting. La leadership yase Herigwara eyanroba khona ukuthi nifake ikhansela elifuna umphakathi, kwafaka ikhansela elifunwa yinini, ningavoti bafethu. We're not going to promote corruption here. We are tired. Uyangizwa because siyasetshenziswa la kuthiwe ngoba siyawuthanda umkhonto, hayi bazovota because bayawuthanda umkhonto no matter what, abasayifuni ANC bafuna iphume. Asikhiphe iANC ukufaka abantu abafanayo neANC. Should sizithutha phela la sizilima masinjalo. Should sizilima. Why ke siyekela ukuvotela iANC? Asibuyeleni phela sovotela iANC nanga phela because iANC na siyekela ukuthi ne corruption kakhulu. Ngiyabona ama comment la kuthiwa hayi abantu abaqhubeka bavotela iMK. Wena kushuthi utasiqhubeke welele utasiqhubeka sivotela iANC eseyiMK. Usho njalo phela wena mholi. So you can't go around telling people la kune corruption khona kuma wathi uthi ababekezele basale sebeyivotela iMK. Ayikho leyo nto le, ayikho leyo nto. Okokuqala nje unali iqiniso kuwena. And awunali iqiniso kuwena uyakhipha leyo nto uzofuna nathi singabi nalo iqiniso. Senze the very same thing ekade siyenza kwiANC singakaboni ukuthi la siqhutshwa ngamadolo. We are being used. La kwiwadi whereby the community ekwazi ukuzikhethela yona ikhansela, siyacela lo ma ballot paper wo 3 manikwazi ukuzikhethela ikhansela, nakwazi ukuzikhethela uPR we local no we district, do vote for iMK. But angeke silahla amavoti sifida abantu akade sibafida because it's clear labantu laba abakhona njengamanje who are doing this corruption kwiMK abantu abasuka kwiANC, and lapha kwiANC bese bebona ukuthi seyibachithile iANC, so abasenali ikhaya lokugila imkhuba. Ubaba uZuma evula iMK eyivulela abantu abangayifuni corruption, ziyagxuma nalezi ziza la. So angifuni ukulanda kadeke. ngithi mina ma comrade kwiwadi yenu if anikwazanga ukhetha OPR uma kwiwadi yenu nikhethe lo-PR nifunze o-PR ningavoti. We're going to do this until these politicians particularly bazi ukuthi asisadlali la njengoba bethu babomsholoza kudlalo nathi asidlali as ama voters asidlali and asidlali lokwangempela. So ngiyacela ukuthi lento asihambiseni lento yokuthi la iMK ephoqwe khona ukuthi ifaka abantu engabafuni, i-community engabafuni or engabazi, mhlambe siyibeke kanjalo, ningavoti. Because uzozo omunye umuntu uthi hayi yini kuthiwe loyo uthanda umphakathi, hamba phela uye emphakathini uyobuza umphakathi. Angithi ngishilo mina as usokolisa ukuthi ngithi mina usiboniso wayefuna umphakathi. If awungitrust mina, if lo muntu osho njalo umtrust, why don't you go to the community uthole lo information ukuthi khona ngempela uthi hayi ngeke kunobugebengu lapha yini kuthi ufuna umphakathi, hamba uyozizwela, hamba emphakathini uyozwa phela ukuthi ngempela uyena lweni nimfunayo, wangena akangenanga ngani kanjani pho uma kwakuyini nimfunayo, then nizosithola lapha istory. So we are tired ukudlalwa, and nkosiyami ngeke not kimi ukuthi ngithi because mhlambe kunento engiyifunayo so therefore I have to support whoever okwiposition, because if I don't support that person angisezi ukuyithola lento nami nginesifiso sokuyithola, or mhlawumbe umsebenzi noma ngabe yini gede. I'm not the only one udinga umsebenzi mina, so mangizozicabangela mina ngedwa umphakathi ngithi awenze njani uzonana kimi, ngiphinde kukhale mina futhi ngithi umakhelwane unana njalo, kodwa mina futhi owaphakamisa umuntu owayicindezela wonke umuntu. Hayi, because same people abanye benu siyazi la ukuthi ngisho emakubo bafuna ukupraise just because ibona abakhili, ibona abanamandla. Ayikho leyo nto leyo, ningavoti. Mina nje amclear bandla ngiphumela obala, ningavoti nje la eMK Enrobhe khona ngokhansela no PR, nangazikhetheli nangakwazi ukuzikhethela yaniphuca lo mandla. Do not vote for those people. Ningayivoteli iMK kuleyo ndawo, ngisho njalo mina mawuthi asivotele hamba uyofaka umuntu ofuna iwadi lapha yasizoyivotela iMK. Musu kuzotshela thina ukuthi wonke umuntu we must tell everyone to vote for MK for what? Yes, we going to tell people abakwaze ukukhetha ucandidate wabo nabo PR babo successfully without any corruption. Those people, we are telling them and we are saying to them, please vote for the MK. Make sure ukuthi lo 3 ballot papers niyawuvotela MK wonke, nivotela ukhansela wena enukhethe ngenkululeko nangempumelelo, nivotela uPR wenu walokali enukhethe ngenkululeko nangempumelelo, nivotela uPR wenu enukhethile successfully without no corruption. Ivoteleni MK lapho, but la khona bezofunda isifundo, they will going to come back ngo-2029 sebazi ukuthi nathi asihlali ezumphakathi, mhlambe bacabanga ukuthi ibona bodwa bangadlali ema-office yabo. So ngiyacela nganza kwethu ukuthi singashintshwa abantu abayitshela ukuthi ibona bodwa bahlakaniphile noma ibona bodwa banobuchopho obusebenza kahle, until sithola lento esiyifunayo noma kwenzeka lento esiyifunayo as community, until sithola lento esifuna ithwebha sizovota, sivotele lo muntu loyo owenza lento esisho. Yabo njengamanje sisafuna ukuthi nikhulume into esifuna ukizwa, mzana ukuza kuthina ngoba ngakithi engekho amanzi ucabanga ukuthi uzothola ivote just because when you are telling us ukuthi uzoqedele iproject yamanzi. Ayikho leyo nto leyo, ayikho leyo nto. Itrap leyo sesiyayazi indala so politics nama politicians, siyabonga nje ilokho. So i-message yami yanamhlanje yikho ukuthi uma iwadi yenu ibe ngaphansi kweMK and abantu eMK bebe baningi khona but barojwa, ningavoti.
This is very bad, and Tabanganje, this is an official opposition. So yeah, Nkembulelo really needs to get its house in order. And thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to donate, and see you in the comment sections. Adios.